Hello everyone! I am Kyle, your new virtual colleague. I'm looking forward to working with you on this detailed session on Skyline Health Diagnostics. This new product is free of cost and a joint initiative between VMware Engineering and Support to enhance customer experience. The Skyline Health Diagnostics, also known as SHD, can be used to analyze log files or check environmental configuration. SHD helps in diagnosing the issue by matching signatures and also provides solutions through knowledge base articles and action plans. The product comes with features like VMware compatibility checks, security advisory checks, and built-in pre-checks for vCenter and VMware Cloud Foundation environments. Let's double-click on a typical resolution workflow scenario. Your environment runs into an outage. As in site admin, you may spend time in doing some Google research and also attempting multiple knowledge base articles. If the issue is not solved by applying the articles found, you will raise a case with the support teams and also upload logs, and then wait until the resolution is provided by the support engineer. Let's also not forget the size of the log uploads and the overall time taken. Now let's review a scenario where the Skyline Health Diagnostics tool is installed in the environment. Your environment runs into an outage. As in site admin, you will execute SHD Diagnostics. The tool is capable of providing precise knowledge base articles or action plan with 48% accuracy. This way we have faster solution with reduced time taken. Here is the quick view of the evolution of SHD. Let's now look at what's new with SHD version 3.5.2. SHD now covers diagnostic checks on products like vSphere, vSAN, VMware Cloud Foundation, and EUC. SHD is fully loaded with new features like vSphere Client Plugin, Remote Log File Upload, updated ciphers, and vCenter and VCF pre-checks. The tool now has about 1,800 plugins, 33 vCenter pre-checks, and 39 VCF pre-checks. The tool has about 37,000 version downloads and 14,000 unique customer base. Let's now dive into the product demo. Download the latest version of SHD OVA from VMware Customer Connect portal. Right-click on the ESXi host and click on Deploy OVA template. Install the OVA appliance following the instructions. Enter the virtual machine name and click Next. Select Compute Host Resource. Now select the license agreements. Select the target deployment data store. Select the virtual machine network. Let's now enter the root account password for the Photon OS appliance and also enter the SHD admin password, which is the default admin password for SHD. Now enter the host name of the appliance and enter the IP address if the VM requires static IP address, or leave blank for DHCP. One can also enable Customer Experience Improvement Program from the same appliance configuration page. Click Finish to complete the deployment. Once the appliance deployment is completed, use the appliance IP address and launch a web browser, which will then open the SHD management page. To run a diagnostics check on the vSphere environment, use the vCenter credentials and password to connect. Note: SHD is capable of diagnosing vCenter and ESXi hosts that are in disconnected state with services offline. SHD can connect via SSH to diagnose further. Additionally, as features, we have vCenter Pre-Check. Enter the vCenter credentials, you can kick-start the pre-check. Prior a vCenter upgrade, one can run this pre-check to validate the health of the vCenter. SHD supports vSAN, EUC, and VCF Health Check. The offline log upload feature in SHD is useful for manually pushing the logs from local machine to SHD and helps to provide log analysis. One can also utilize a secured FTP uploaded file and have the SHD management page fetch the file and provide log analysis. With SHD, there is now a new feature that enables you to run health check proactively using a scheduler. You can schedule health checks for your vCenter, VMware Cloud Foundation, and vSAN environments. The schedules can be either daily, weekly, or monthly checks. SHD also provides a vSphere client plugin. With this feature, one can fully run diagnosis on the environments directly from vSphere client login page, thus enhancing user interface experience. For those customers running dark site environments, SHD can be used for diagnosis even without internet connectivity. SHD can run all plugins and pre-checks completely offline. Customer Experience Improvement Program can be disabled to run SHD in an offline mode, ideally helping dark site environments. Enabling CEIP gets the user access to latest version downloads, security advisory updates, and VMware compatibility guide updates. For those customers running SHD in an offline mode, will have to manually upgrade SHD release with the monthly patching updates. Let us now look into some of the SHD use cases and review the SHD output reports. What we are looking at here is a VMware Cloud Foundation Health Check report. The SHD is capable of assessing the VCF environment, prior upgrade, and validate for environmental issues like expired password on SDDC Manager, SSH connectivity status, vCenter ring topology status, NTP status, NSX health status, and many more. All the issues are alerted in red alerts with workaround fix or a solution to the identified issue. We are now looking at a vCenter upgrade pre-check report output. SHD is capable of assessing the vCenter environment, prior upgrade, and help validate for environmental issues like expired root password issue, disk usage checks, DNS and NTP checks. Expired certificates validation are some of the examples. SHD provides solutions through knowledge base articles or action plans. With the help of these pre-checks for VCF and vCenter through SHD, the upgrade process can be smoother with reduced outages. SHD with version 3.5.2, we have around 1,800 plugins to identify issues that fall under environment, product, security advisory, compatibility guide checks. Here is an example of ESX iHost uplink reported offline. The SHD is reviewing the log snippet and providing solution with a knowledge base article as a fix. With the help of SHD, we can now debug PSOD crashes and identify solutions faster. We are now looking at a report where SHD has identified the vCenter services gone offline or crashed. SHD has provided solution with log snippets and a knowledge base article for addressing the reported issue. SHD also helps in identifying outdated drivers from the ESX iHost and suggests latest version drivers from the VMware compatibility guide for upgrades. The report also provides insights on security vulnerability updates from VMware Security Advisory website. As an operator, you might want to explore and use VMware Skyline Health Diagnostics REST API. The support schemas available now are authentication, offline analysis, SHD management, tasks, workflow reports, workflow summary. By using Skyline Health Diagnostics, the product enables your environment with faster resolution time during an outage, elevated data privacy and security, proactive health checks. This concludes the demo session on Skyline Health Diagnostics. Thank you.